Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make these tasty and easy baked potatoes with mincemeat. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. In a pan or a pot, you're going to add half a kg of mincemeat, or you can use any other mincemeat that you prefer. Then you're going to add half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of Garamasala, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and some salt to taste. And mix everything well and let the mincemeat to cook on a medium heat slowly by slowly. If you'd like to add more spices, that's up to you. Then squeeze 1 lime and mix everything well and cover to let the mincemeat to continue to cook. Once the mincemeat is completely dry like this, you're going to add a handful of coriander leaves, 2 slices of onions, and mix bell peppers. And mix everything well and let the mincemeat to continue to cook for at least 3 to 5 minutes. After about 3 to 5 minutes, open the lid and then you're going to add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil and give a quick mix. Then you're going to add 2 blended tomatoes and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and mix everything well and let the mincemeat to continue to cook. Lastly, I'm going to add 1 cube of jumbo, or you can use magi, optional, and mix everything well and let the mincemeat to continue to cook until nicely cooked and the sauce is less. When the mincemeat is nicely cooked and the sauce is less like this, then your mincemeat is ready and remove it from the fire and place it aside. The next step, we are going to deep fry our potatoes. Make sure the oil is hot before adding the potatoes. Then afterwards, you're going to add your sliced potatoes and deep fry them until they're nicely baked. Deep fry the potatoes on a medium heat for at least 5 to 7 minutes until they're nicely baked. Once your potatoes are nicely fried and they have this amazing golden brown color, then your potatoes are ready, and remove them from the oil and place them aside. Afterwards, you're going to take an oven dish. Then you're going to arrange the fried potatoes at the bottom, as you can see in the video. Then the next step, you're going to add the cooked mincemeat. You can add a bit or much, that's up to you, and spread the mincemeat around the oven dish, as you can see in the video. Then add the remaining fried potatoes at the top and arrange them around the oven dish. Then lastly but not least, I'm going to add emmental cheese, or you can use any cheese that you prefer. Lastly, I'm going to decorate it with some sweet tomatoes, optional if you don't have, and our potatoes are ready to be baked in the oven. Place in a preheated oven and bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes until the cheese melts and turns into golden brown color. After 20 to 25 minutes, my baked potatoes and mincemeat are ready, as you can see in the video. The cheese has melted and has this amazing golden brown color. I'm going to cut a piece so you can able to see how the inside look. Like these baked potatoes with mincemeat, it's so tasty. You can eat along with cold juice or soda and enjoy your baked potatoes with mincemeat. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.